Today, we're going to make things a little more interactive and exciting by adding a clickable cube that can actually disappear when you click on it. It's a small feature, but trust me, it's super fun and a great way to start learning about game interactivity. First, let's talk about the cube. We're creating it as a button, which is a special type of entity in Ursina that can detect clicks. We gave it a bright red color so it really stands out and scaled it down a bit so it's cute and easy to click. We also positioned it right in the center of the scene. If we run the code now, we can see our red cube sitting there waiting for us to interact with it. Now comes the really fun part, making it respond to clicks. We define a function that will destroy the cube when it's clicked, essentially making it disappear from the scene. Then, we connect this function to the cube's click event. Let's run it and see it in action. Check this out. When we click the cube, poof, it's gone. Just like magic. In the next video, we'll explore more ways to make your game world dynamic and engaging. Keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.